Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony GTK-XB5 speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this speaker, not connecting to Bluetooth or not pairing or syncing with Bluetooth, or if it's not working, it's not making sounds, it's not responding, things like that can very often be fixed with this hard reset. Now you're going to need to set it up again because all of that pairing history and everything will be wiped off, and this will be back to the way it was when it came out of the box. And that's kind of the second reason you might want to do this. If you're just trying to get a fresh start on this speaker and just get everything wiped off back to its factory defaults, we can go ahead and do this quite easily. The first thing we want to do is just unplug it and then wait a couple seconds and then plug it back in and then turn it on. All right, so now it needs to be turned on to go to the next step for this reset to actually work. From there, we're just going to find the function pairing button over here and the volume down button. And we're just going to press and hold those two buttons simultaneously for more than 5 seconds. After which the speaker will just turn off, indicating the reset is complete. We can go ahead and take our hands off of the buttons and then turn the speaker back on and set it up as a brand new speaker.